Your SEO content might be destined to fail in 2025, not because you are lazy, not because you aren't trying, but because the rule of the game have changed and most people haven't caught up. Well, Google isn't just ranking keywords anymore. It's ranking experiences. It's rewarding the authority, it's citing the freshness. So if your content still follows the 2019 playbook, it's going to be invisible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how content is shifting and what you need to do to survive the new era of answer engine optimization. So, let's start with the reality check. See, gone are those days of clicking through 10 blue links on page 1. Today, AI agents like Google's AI Overview, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini answers your questions right there in the search results. No click required, no scroll needed, just instant answers. Welcome to the age of zero-click queries, where users get what they need and your traffic is quietly disappearing. But hey, it's not all doom and bounce rates. We are in the transitional phase where SEO and AEO is still a kind of an overlap. And if you move fast, you can win big. Alright, so now here's the kicker. See, you are no longer writing just for humans. You are also writing for the agents. So smart AI system that decide which source to cite and which ones to forget. So here, you have got to think like Google AI Overviews, Google AI Mode, ChatGPT Search, Perplexity AI, Cloud A, Copilot, and more. Unlike your average human agents, don't scroll, they cite. But here's why. 80% of SEO content is failing right now. Number one, it is outdated. Number two, it's generic and it's written more for algorithms than for people or even AI agents. Let me show you what I mean. Just go on Google and try searching Mediterranean cruise. Google's AI now acts like a travel planner, summarizing best months, booking tips, and top cruise brands, all in a neat little box. Or in fact, you can look up what is CrossFit. No need to click anything. The full answer is right there in the zero result. That's AEO in action. And it's why your content strategy needs a serious update. So how do you actually create content that still ranks, still gets traffic, and more importantly, still gets cited on these AI agents? There are three key factors. Let's deep dive. Number one, freshness. Let's be honest, your blog from 2021 might as well be written in Morse code to an AI agent. 90% of the ChatGPT citations come from the content those are published in the last 10 months. So even tiny updates like tweaking your title or refreshing a stat can boost your content's visibility. Here's a quick tip. Just add a last updated timestamp and make sure you actually mean it. Number two, authority. Google and AI agents don't need another generic post on 10 ways to save money. That topic they can write by themselves. What they can't fake is the expert insights, real case studies, and actual experiences. Specificity that feels human. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say you are running a personal finance blog. So instead of saying track your expenses, you can actually show a quote from a certified financial planner or a real life story of someone paying off 5 lakh in just 18 months. Or it can be a table comparing 3 savings apps, even with the screenshots. See, now that's authority, that's citable. And remember, while doing this, always ask yourself, what proof do I have that an AI can't just make up? That brings us to number 3, structure. This is where most blogs crumble. So if your content looks like a wall of text, AI is gonna ignore you faster than a cold pitch on LinkedIn. And here is what helps. Proper headings like those H1, H2 and H3. Number 2, schema markup, specifically to FAQs and how-to schemas. Having tables, bullet points and checklist in a form of your content. And the most underrated part, internal linking. Let me give you one example. Imagine you are writing a content on how to choose the right running shoes. So option A, one long chunk of text, and option B with the proper headline structures like what's your foot type, cushioning versus stability, and top 5 shoes for marathon runners. So in these two options, option B wins every single time because both Google and the users can scan it instantly. And while doing this, don't forget that structure is equal to visibility. Always use those important relevant FAQs, bullet points, schema, and TOC like life depends on it. Because in AEO, it kinda does. Alright, let's say you've got a blog that's underperforming, not dead, just kinda lying there like a confused intern on day one. So here's how to fix that. Number one, audit the page. So you can use tools like Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, or even Page Optimizer. What you need to check here is the structure, outdated data, and the readability of that page. For an example, let's say you've got a post on the best protein sources. Now add a 2025 nutrition guideline to that content. Along with that, you can embed a new infographic. Try to improve the load speed of that entire page. Up next, add a real value. Don't just stuff more words for the sake of writing more words. Add visuals, expert quotes, and even short video snippets. Another example, include a quick 30-second clip of a dietitian explaining plant-based versus the whey proteins, because that's the value that AI can't generate. Number 3, make it citable. Use those original stats, mentioning sources, and create something worth linking to. Number 4, update the meta and schema. You can refresh your title tags with real data. Example, top 9 protein foods for 2025. Add FAQ schema for better AI visibility. See, here you need that mindset shift. Stop creating content like a one-time blog post, because in 2025, it's a living asset. So you can follow this framework: refresh, refine, and repeat, because that's how you stay relevant in today's time. That's all. If this video have helped you, tap the like button so more marketeers and creators like you see it. And hit subscribe, because I'm breaking down more AI and SEO strategies in plain English with the real examples that actually work. And you want a free AEO checklist and the detailed strategy guide to fix your own content? Well, download it here. I'm inserting the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, want me to audit for a piece of content or show more examples, drop them in the comments and I'll try to reply to everyone. Until the next time, stay relevant, stay refreshing, and don't let AI overlook you. And I'll see you in the next video. Till the time, bye-bye and take care.